Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X20 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's tap on this button, the second from the left, to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And now let's move to the settings to open the camera settings. Here we have to focus now on capture category and pick the volume key functions. So now we can decide to use this as volume, shoot, which is now, or zoom. So let me change it to zoom now to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to tap on volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.